day. By the way, I'm Airyn Joy Cabusao. I'm here to discuss about Pearson relation.
Another action. Given the following problems, perform a statistical test for hypothesis. Do the following. A. State the null hypothesis. B. Determine the tabulated value of the statistic. Use one-tailed test at 1% level of significance. C. Compute for the value of the statistic the appropriate statistical tool. And D. Make your conclusion. Problem. The following are the scores of 10 students in a 50-item test in math and English score. Determine if there is a significant relationship of the students' scores in the two subjects. So our N is equal to 10. And our math score is equal to 194. And the English score is equal to 186. Then, our x squared is 34 times 34 is equal to 11,156. So, then, 23 times 23 is equal to 529. 13 times 13 is equal to 169. 14 times 14 is equal to 289. 23 times 23 is equal to 529. 24 times 24 is 729. 13 times 13 is equal to 169. 11 times 11 is equal to 121. 21 times 21 is equal to 441. And 12 times 12 is equal to 144. So, the total of x squared is equal to 4,276. Y squared, then 12 times 12 is equal to 144. Then 8 times 8 is equal to 64. Then 15 times 15 is equal to 225. Then 36 times 36 is equal to 1,296. Then 27 times 27 is equal to 729. Then 37 times 37 is equal to 1,369. Then 9 times 9 is equal to 81. Then 19 times 19 is equal to 361. Then 17 times 17 is equal to 289. Then 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Then our y squared is equal to 4,594. Then xy. So, we multiply the math score and English score. So, 34 times 12 is equal to 408. Then, 23 times 8 is equal to 184. Then, 13 times 15 is equal to 195. Then, 17 times 36 is equal to 612. Then, 23 times 27 is equal to 621. Then, 24 times 37 is equal to 999. Then, 13 times 9 is equal to 117. Then, 11 times 19 is equal to 209. Then, 21 times 17 is equal to 357. Then, 12 times 6 is equal to 72. So, our xy is equal to 3,774. So, this is the formula of Pearson relation. R is equal to n summation xy minus summation x open parenthesis, summation y, close parenthesis, then over, square root, then open bracket, then and summation x squared minus open parenthesis summation x, then close squared, then and summation y squared minus open summation y close squared, then is equal to 10. Then our solution exy is 3,774. Then close parenthesis minus our summation x is equal to 194. Then our summation y is equal to 186 over, then square root, then 10 our summation x squared is equal to 4,276, then minus our summation y is our summation x is equal to 194, then squared, then 10, then our summation ey squared is equal to 4,594, close, then our summation y is 186, then squared, then equals 10 times 3,774 is equal to 37,740 minus 194 times 186 is equal to 36,084 over, then square root, then 10 times 4,276 is equal to 42,760 minus 194 squared is equal to 37,636. Then 10 times 4,594 is equal to 45,940 minus 186 times 186 is equal to 34,596. Then 37,740 minus 36,084 is equal to 1,656 over square root, then 42,760 minus 37,636 is equal to 5,124. Then 45,940 minus 34,596 is equal to 11,344. Then copy 1,656. Then 5,124 times 11,344 is equal to 58,126,656. Then square root, then is equal to copy 1,656 over the square root of 58,126,656 is equal to 7,624.08. Then equal to 1,656 divided by 7,624.08 is equal to 0.22. So our tabulated value is 0.715. Then tabulated value is less than computed value. So we accept the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is no significant relationship between English and math scores of the students.
So that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.